Good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Sitting in the, actually driving in the Toyota Tundra today. And I mentioned in a previous video about replacing some of this trim work inside here. With something similar to what is in the Mercedes-Benz C43. As you notice, it is of course a wood based, or at least a wood veneer, I'm not quite sure which, trim that they put inside the Crewmax Limited. At least my version. And I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not a big fan of brown wood in any vehicle, honestly. So I'm thinking that needs to be replaced if possible. I'm not sure how difficult that stuff is to remove. I haven't actually looked into it very deeply yet, but they put it in, so I figure it can come out. And after I got the C43, I realized that the trim work that they put in there, that black wood, or at least faux wood, I'm not quite exactly sure again if it's real, is something that I really like. And I think inside the Tundra, with the other colors and stuff that they have in here, and there aren't a lot, I mean, you have this kind of, I don't know what you call this, it's plastic, but kind of a silver brushed looking trim, and there's a lot of it in here, you know, from the center console area. The bezels, of course, have this chrome look, which I'm not a big fan of, but it's very little, of course, on the dials and stuff like that. That could be replaced down the road, we'll see. And then even the Toyota emblem on the steering wheel is a chrome look, and then back to this kind of brushed looking plastic material on the bottom of the steering wheel, or the sides. But that's really all the coloring that's in here, other than the black, of course, and the cement colored or gray colored seats. So you really have four combinations, I guess. The black, this brushed silver kind of look, this chrome look, and then the cement color that's in the rest of the car, or gray, whatever you want to call it. So I think if I could find something that is similar to this black wood type trim that's in the C43, and it doesn't have to be the same thing, obviously, but that would be the theme. That would be the general look that I'd be looking for. I thought about doing some sort of carbon fiber, but you know, the rest of the truck doesn't have anything like that, and I think that would really stand out. In other words, it'd be like an afterthought, something you just stuck in to get rid of whatever was there before. So I don't know that carbon fiber would be a really good look. However, the black wood, since it already has wood in it anyway, and other black trim, I think would set off really well in here and would look really nice. So we're gonna, I'm gonna pursue that. I'd be interested to see if there, and if any of you know, if there's any kind of a kit out there that maybe some sort of aftermarket seller produces to replace these really three pieces. I mean, you have the one over there, the one here, and the one on the other side of the steering wheel. And that's really all you need to replace. There isn't any other wood, unless I've missed something, that's inside the cab. So we're going to pursue that. I think it would make a heck of a difference in here. I think otherwise, on the interior, I don't know that I would do anything else. You know, I complain about the chrome look, but there really really is so little of it in here, to be quite honest, that I don't know if it really needs to be replaced. The other thing that I might look at is the shifter down here. It does have the sportier, if you will. I don't know that I think it's all that sporty, but it does have the sportier shifter. I think if I could find some sort of a wood grain type shifter to match whatever I hopefully can find that's going to replace the trim work, would look pretty cool. It would kind of tie the whole center area together. So I may see if I can find what I want. If there's anything like that as far as a shift knob to replace the one down here with. And even I think some kind of a composite polyurethane or polyethylene or polycarbon, whatever it's called, material in black with some sort of modeling and speckling in it might go well. Whoa, just about got a bird. I don't know if you guys saw that. Might go well in here and match up pretty good with the proposed center trim. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. If anybody out there knows of any aftermarket seller that carries that kind of stuff, leave me a comment below. Let me know about that. I'm very interested to pursue that. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye.